I'm here, Williams Island, Unity 1004, Tower 1000. This unit, they need you, of course, to do the full renovation. It's listed for around 600,000, 650. Okay. The good thing about this one, because it's a corner unity, they have 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Let's take a look here in the view first. As you can see here, the floor is 10th, but you have a very nice view here. You're able to see here, this is the canal, they go into the ocean. Very nice, they have a lot of greenery. You're able to see the pool here. Over there is the Marina, the Williams Island Marina. Okay, you're able to see the lake, and here you have this balcony. You have the next balcony over there belong to the apartment, and they have 3rd balcony. Just in balconies you probably have like 600 square feet balcony. Okay, they do have it's a good size living area. They have the dining table here. They do have some storage. Those mirror, they put some storage unit. They do have shuttles. It's not hurricane impactful, but at least you have shuttles. They do like you're able to put the TV in that wall over there. If you want to change for hurricane impactful windows, it's going to be making much more valuable this unit. But again, need to do a full renovation. And here you have the kitchen. The only thing that's new here in this apartment, that's the refrigerator. Samsung is a very nice refrigerator. They do have the wash and dryer stackable here. Okay, we came from this door here. That's the balcony access, the kitchen. Let's take a look here. That's the master switch. It's a huge master switch. If you want, you can put even to make it like the 4th bedroom if you want. Okay, because they do have like one closet here. They do have this closet over there. And then you have this extra closet here. If you want to close and make one extra bedroom here, you can make easily a 4th bedroom, and you put the door here, and then make it one den here, and this den and this bedroom share this bathroom here, because it's a huge master suite. Look at that, it's good size. They have one closet here, 2, 3, and the 4 closets. They still have fax machine, imagine that. Look like nobody lives here. Okay, they do have here a binocular. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment. Here is the half bathroom. The people that come to visit, they use this one, or somebody wants to share. You have this door here. You close the door, and you have another quarters. You have this huge extra closet. You have this extra closet. This bathroom they share with the 2 extra bedrooms. They have the 3rd bedroom, the 2nd bedroom here, the 2nd one. Also, they do have the closets. It's a good size closets. The good size, we're able to put a king bedroom. They do have the extra closet here. They have one in the front, one here, one here. It's a lot of closets in the apartment, and they do have this extra balcony here. And then you have some view from the houses of Eastern Shores. Those houses selling for 3, 4, 5, up to 10 million. And to have the last bedroom here, they look like they painting. And they have the door to access the balconies. And then they have the view. The good thing about this apartment, even this old building, the windows is in the top and bottom. That's mean you're going to have a lot of light in this apartment. This is supposed to be the closet have no doors. It's a high, and that's the apartment, Williams Island, 1004, 1000, listed for 650, but put one offer.